Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here at Big Lots Home and hopefully we can find some new items today.
Take a lot of courage just to live out your dreams. Bigger picture I could see if I just close my eyes.
I like that round table right there. It pairs really well with those chairs. This table is a 19-inch red side table for $170. And these chairs, I think these chairs come in a pair. Yes, they do. Rexel Sawyer armless pair for $250. Yeah, it looks really pretty with that table right there. They are the Broyhill Glendale Mustard Accent Chair for $240 each. This is not a set, guys. This small sectional is the Mabella Sofa Chase for $665. It looks gray on camera, but it's a gray taupe mix, and I like it. This 47-inch walnut writing desk is $100. Great deal. Okay, this Broyhill Eden dresser, it is on sale for $372.58. The original price was $560 on this one, guys. This is really nice. Okay, now look at this. This is a lift top coffee table. It is gorgeous. It is only $70, guys. That is unbelievable. Wow. I love that. $70, come on. We're winning. Alrighty. Rattan mirror. This one is $70. Lovely. This is a beautiful chair here, guys. This is by Drexel Rowan swivel chair for $350. Really nice. Has the wood swivel part right there. Yes, there's the chair. And it's in gray, really nice. And look at this chair up here. Isn't that pretty? For $250. I'm not sure if it's just for one, but that's what the tag is saying, $250 for that chair right there. Okay. Black chair is a metal chair. And that chair is $50. Okay. Drexel Sutton light gray with gold metal legs for $180. Okay, and this one is by Broyhill Glendale Gray Accent Chair for $250. Nice legs on this chair. Yes, it feels really nice, guys. This green chair, oh my goodness, it is beautiful. It's more like a blue-green. It is the Drexel Rowan tufted chair, and this one is by Ashley Furniture, and it is $237.49. This beautiful one right here is the Broyhill Glendale Accent Chair for $237. Nice. Ashford Wood Trim Accent Chair for $300. And this Drexel Swivel Chair is $332.49. Yeah, nice, right? It's beautiful marble top wood leg side table. It is $150 compared to $512, guys. Oh my goodness. This piece has the tufted leather top with metal legs, and it is only $80. This 5-tier metal bookcase is $250 compared to $390. Yes. This Joanna bench is $140 compared to $300. This beautiful mirror is only $34.99. Yes, $34.99. Alrighty, guys, we have a few recliners here. This first one is Real Living Glider Recliner for $380. This one, it is huge, guys. It is the Franklin Parker recliner, $475, and it has the cup holders on this one. And the Venus recliner right here in gray, it is $280. Okay. This one is the Wesley Gray track arm recliner, $400. This one is the Hudson Chocolate Rocker Recliner, $350. A Real Living Mesa Sofa, $570. The Love Seat is $570 with the 2 cup holders. And then they have this one right here. It's the Smoke Zero Gravity Leather for $1,000. Cute pillow too. How cute is this? By Real Living. Okay, I'm sure it's under $20. This Broyhill Austin sofa storage seat is $700. Love this. It is beautiful. And storage. How about that? Yes. Beautiful. Oh, I love it. Oh. So this beautiful table, guys, it is gorgeous. It is the Gray Phoenix coffee tabletop for $500. Oh my word. Nice legs at the bottom. And then the sofa is by Broyhill Chandler Sectional for $1,045. Goes very well with that table, right? And that rug. Oh my goodness, that is just beautiful. These blue lamps, these are really pretty. They're $60. Really pretty. Pieces by Ashley Furniture. Yes, yes, and yes. The sectional is Ashley Furniture Industries Falston Sectional, $855. The recliner is $350. I even like this table. Isn't it beautiful? The marble top with the wooden leg. That is really pretty. So let's see here. The lamp is gorgeous too. And this table is $100. Oh yes. That beautiful mirror right there, guys, it is gorgeous. It is only $50. Okay guys, new chairs here today, and these are the Joanne side chair. It is a 2-pack for only $180. Yes, you heard it right, 2-piece, guys. 2 pieces, only $180. Nice weight. Yes. Okay, these countertop chairs here. It is the 29-inch gray swivel nail head bar, and these chairs are $140 each. Okay. These metal stools, they're $40. So these chairs are new. These are the Natural Mitchell dining chair for $250 compared to $1,225. What? Oh my goodness. Okay, these chairs are beautiful. This is the gray nail head dining single chair for $150 compared to $295. Wow. This 37-inch metal wood swivel single chair, $80 on these. Not bad at all, guys. These here, this is the Classic Home assorted accent chair for $500. Huh, how cute. Okay, this is the Broyhill Aaronwood sofa, $522.49. The Love Seat is $512.99. Okay, really pretty. The nail studs around at the top and at the bottom. Nice pillows too. The Luray 2-door cabinet for $300. Well, let's see here. Nice. This is beautiful. Diamond bar cabinet for $600. Oh, I think we've seen this before. It's so pretty. The gold glass table, absolutely beautiful for $270. Darlene round coffee table is what it's called. I like these lamps right here. These are pretty. They are $40. Aren't these cute? Oh yeah. Well, all right, friends, that is it here today at Big Lots. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.